today I was thinking about, well, I've been thinking about a lot of stuff that I want to get into and make from start to finish. But then I noticed, some of you know I made a shop fire a couple months back. Not bad. It's a good thing. It makes you better, actually. It's going to happen eventually. So you gotta be clever. It makes you more clever when you get in a predicament. Now, I'm going to get myself into another predicament today. I'm going to go looking through the trailer of Doom, which still has a bunch of burned up crap in it. I know there's some blades that I put together. Like, they were hardened, tempered, and close to being finished, but because of the soot and the water damage, not from heat damage, pay attention, soot and water, they're really rusty and crusty, and I really just not wanted to touch them. So I thought today I'd go in there and scramble around and scrounge around and see what I could find, and we can make a knife and finish it. So I'll take a rusty knife and, if you will, get it, well, I don't want to say restore, but we'll just go ahead and finish. One of those important things that you can do when you're watching my video or listening to what I'm saying is if you pay attention, you probably won't get triggered. And if you do, I don't care. I'm just trying to save you some trauma if that's the kind of person you are. But I say positive, encourage these things, and I have a certain way I like to pick on certain stuff too. But anyway, that aside, pay attention and you'll have a lot of fun. Don't pay attention, get triggered, and leave some stupid comment, and other people will attack you. It won't be me. So let's get at it. Okay, so this is the last remnants of just the last stuff I was scrambling to throw in here before I decided I was never going back over there. So let's look and see what we got. Mess, it still stinks too. Let's see. No. Look at that. No. Some of these do like that's. No, that's Tiger. I'm gonna find something. Hey, look at it. No. Hey! I remember this. Oh, that almost lost it. That's pretty rotten time. All right, so this is a knife I started in a class, and from my memory, this is about 2 years old, maybe a little bit older. I got it glued up, I started working on it, set it aside, picked it back up about a year later, started fooling with it again, set it aside, and then fire. And so it looks like crap. It's just rust though, so the fire didn't damage the metal, but the soot and the water damaged it, whatever chemicals they put in. So it's pretty nasty looking. And I thought there was a crack in the handle, but it's not. It's just lines that I've drawn on it. So I think this would be appropriate to finish. And this is W2, and this is, I'm pretty sure this is an elk shit, a piece of elk, or some kind of antler. I don't remember, but I like it, so we'll finish it. All right, let me go set a couple things up so we don't have to do all that. medium well, you know, and I'm like, ah, fuck.
I fucked up a tomahawk sometimes at Juniper. Yeah, you need to go there. It's
Duck
it's
is
pretty
hard to
expensive,
cook.
but it's good.
How much money you got? It's like making knives. You're gonna lose all that. This is just some ASMR stuff. Wow, how long have we done that? For years. I actually have done years of this. How is Chance's place still running? I can't figure it out one either.
I have no idea. Honestly.
I'm gonna be going down under to see where the Titanic. All right, the finished product, the finished knife. I hate to say product. That's stupid. It's not a product. There's only one of these on the whole earth. This is actually a moose antler spike. I remember it now. I got this from my friend Adam up in Alaska, and I just couldn't remember what it was. But when you finish moose, it's really hard and tough. You can tell. So, the integral moose antlered hunter. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I can tell it's W2 also because I see that one little dot. It's kind of cool. It looks like a sun where it's like the hamon is in a little circle there. That's unintentional, of course. I don't care about doing those on knives, but this knife is beautiful. I'm glad that Ryan talked me into finishing it. It's not normally something I would do. You know, normally when I see this stuff, I'm just like, well, I'll just go on to the next thing. But sometimes it's cool and you have something you've been kicking around or something you think, it's too far gone, or it's all rusty and crusty, I don't want to finish it. I went back and finished it. I'm happy with it. Looks great. I did a 400 grit hand rub finish on there. I just buffed the antler. It looks incredible. It looks really beautiful. It's all some crown, some bumpy popcorn there still. Great for some grippiness. Weird thing about stag, when it gets wet or if you're cleaning an animal that's bloody, it's very sticky. It's not slimy or slippery. So I may do something else. I may decide I want to finish this a different way, or I might just leave it like this. I'm actually pretty happy with this. So thank you for watching, and be a maker.